With the Coolgardie assets, we have 3 open pits designed and ready to go. The contractor's on standby. We have a toll treating agreement for our ore. Very low capital to start up. We have cash in the bank and no debt. So it's a very good position to be starting operations and pouring gold. The other assets we have is in the Northern Territory. It's Tom's Gully Underground. Already has a definitive study over it, and it's 65,000 ounces a year. It was also a very large, low-grade open pit up there called Rustler's Roost, and that's expanding all the time. It's been a very busy 7 months, 7 to 8 months last year in 2016. We've acquired the Coolgardie operations. We've got all approvals in place, contractors on standby, and ready to start operations in November of 2017. So we'll be pouring gold there in January of 2018, so the first cash flow for the company from being an explorer to a producer, so that's a pretty exciting milestone. And going forward, we'll be looking at doing exploration on those leases for underground. So we have portal positions in all the pits to go underground on some very rich material in Coolgardie. In the Northern Territory, it's been busy up there as well. We've done the first drill program in the Territory on our leases for 20 years. We've come up with some very big numbers up there. There's a resource upgrade to be finalised, and that'll be out before Christmas of 2017. We'll re-optimise the pit. It already has a 9-year life of mine around it, not operating at the moment. We're just going through the approvals process for the Northern Territory. So some big things happening in the Territory for primary gold for such a junior company. As far as I'm concerned, we're very undervalued at the moment. Our resource, enterprise value per resource ounce is 15, very low compared to our peers. We've flown under the radar a little bit, but now we're going into production. We have 1.4 million ounces in resource and growing. As I said, that'll be upgraded before Christmas. We will have a whole lot of news flow over the next 6 months. We watch this space for both Coolgardie expansions and the Northern Territory. The 121's been excellent. I've only been in this position 7 months, and it's been a busy 7 months, and to convey what we've been doing this year to the industry investors has been fantastic for primary gold. The message is now getting out. The response has been magnificent from investors. They really didn't know who primary gold was. It's up to me now to start marketing and getting a bit of news flow out and keeping the investors in tune.